Today we will learn about the perpendicular and the parallel lines. First of all, we will discuss the parallel lines. Are the two lines L1 and L2 parallel?
Yes.
Now we will find out the gradient of these two lines. We can also find out the gradient with the help of rise over run by drawing a triangle. Rise is 2, run is 1. So M is equal to 2 over 1 or 2. Now in the line L1, again rise is 2, run is 1, and M is equal to rise over run 2. Now these L1 and L2 are parallel lines, and we can see that their gradient is same. When two lines are parallel, their slope is same, their gradient is same. Okay?
Okay.
Or their gradients are same, equal, same. Now we will attempt some questions about the parallel lines. Question number, this one is question number 1. Find the gradient of a line parallel to question number 1. Find the gradient of the line.
ये पार्ट ए का 8 ही होगा ना?
GG.
8 ही.
Find the gradient of the line parallel to y is equal to 8x plus 5. Where, if the equation is given, then what's the method to find out the gradient?
The equation is given, we can make y the subject and then m will be the gradient.
Coefficient of x is the gradient. Now in
Yes,
this
coefficient
case,
of x.
the gradient is 8. So
Yes,
the gradient of parallel line
is the same.
is same, also equal to 8. Now we will discuss the perpendicular lines. Can you see that these two lines L1 and L2 are parallel? Oh, sorry, perpendicular.
Yes,
Now the gradient of line L1 is 2. And now we will find out the gradient of the line L2. Rise is 2, run is 1. Now the gradient of this line is, sorry, rise is 1 and the run is 2. Its gradient is -1/2. Because when we will draw the triangle, we will have to move towards the left side and then up. In this one, in line L1, we will move right and up. If we will move right and up, then the change in y with respect to x is 2. And when we will move towards left and then up, then there is a decrease of 2 units in x and increase of 1 unit in y. So the gradient is negative. Okay?
Sir, can you please explain this again? एक बार वापस
Yes,
दोबारा
yes. जी जी.
बताइए.
If we will increase the value of y, then the value of y will decrease or increase.
Uh,
If we will increase the value of y,
yes,
just like this, then what about
yes.
increase the value of x, then what about the value of y? It will decrease or increase?
If the value of x is increasing,
The value of x is increased.
yes.
हमने राइट साइड की तरफ मूव किया है. यहाँ पर फर्ज करें x की
जी.
वैल्यू 1 थी, तो यहाँ पर एट दिस पॉइंट द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज 2 3 4. Okay, here the value of y is value of y is 1 2 3 4, and at this point the value of y is 2. If we will increase the value of y, this point is 1 4, this point, and this
Yes.
point is 4 2. The value of x has increased from 1 to 4, while the value of y has decreased from 1 till 2
Oh, okay.
to 4 to 2. 4 to 2. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
तो x की वैल्यू को इंक्रीज करने से y की वैल्यू डिक्रीज हो रही है ना,
जी.
तो फिर हम ग्रेडियंट को नेगेटिव लिखेंगे.
ठीक है.
ग्रेडियंट क्या होता है बेटा? ग्रेडियंट पर यूनिट चेंज होती है. ग्रेडियंट क्या होता है?
जी. पर यूनिट चेंज.
पर यूनिट चेंज होती है. मैं इसको सारे को दोबारा एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ.
जी. जी.
Now we will study perpendicular lines. One line is this, and the second one is this. The gradient of line 1 is this one is L1, this one is L2. Now the gradient of line L1 is rise over run. M is equal to 2. Okay. When we will move towards right side, the line L has the gradient rise over
सर
run
स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हुआ।
is equal to 2 over 1. Now the line 2. Now this one is x-axis. And this one is y-axis. Now the coordinates of this point are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 4. The coordinates of this point are 7 and 6. Now one point is 6, 4, other one is 7, 6. The value of y has increased 1 unit, that is from 6 to 7. Okay.
Yes, okay. 6 to 7.
And the value of y has increased 2 units, that is 4 to 6.
Yes, 4 to 6. Okay.
Gradient is per unit change. If there is an increase of 1 unit in x-axis, there is an increase of 2 units in y-axis.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now we will discuss the gradient of the second line.
Okay.
We will draw a triangle. This one. This point is 6, 1. 6, 1. And this point is 8, 0. The value of x is increased or decreased?
The value of x has increased from 6 to 8.
Yes, 2 units. And the value of y?
It has decreased from 1 unit.
So when there is an increase in x, there is a decrease in y.
Yes.
Okay. And the
Decrease.
gradient of this line is, because of decrease, is minus 1 by 2.
ओके।
Okay.
तो सर जो ऊपर वाले कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं जिसमें x 6 to 7 है और y 4 to 6, उसमें नहीं माइनस होगा फिर ग्रेडियंट?
नहीं बेटा, उसमें देखें कि x 1 यूनिट इंक्रीज हुआ है, y भी इंक्रीज हुआ है।
जी।
जब x में 1 यूनिट की
अच्छा।
1 की चेंज है तो y भी इंक्रीज हो रहा है। अब इसमें
अच्छा,
अगर
अगर
x
इसमें
में
डिक्रीज होता तो फिर माइनस होता।
जी जी सॉरी,
अगर मतलब y कम हो रहा होता और x ज्यादा तो हो रहा है उस वाले पॉइंट्स में, अगर कम हो रहा था फिर माइनस होता।
हाँ जी, फिर पर यूनिट चेंज नेगेटिव होती, फिर ग्रेडियंट नेगेटिव होता।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है ठीक है।
ठीक है। अच्छा जी।
ठीक है।
अब देखें कि दोनों के ग्रेडियंट्स को अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करें तो वो -1 आता है। -1/2 into 2 is equal to -1. So
अच्छा।
the relationship between the gradients of perpendicular lines is m1 into m2 is equal to -1. This one is the relationship between the gradients of
So this means
perpendicular.
that if we multiply both the gradients, we will get -1.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, question number 2. Find the gradient of the line perpendicular to y is equal to 3x plus 2. Y is equal to 3x plus 2. Equation is given. We will convert the line into y is equal to mx plus c form. Yes, it is in that form. The coefficient of x is the gradient, that is m is equal to 3. Now we want to find out the gradient of the perpendicular line. The relationship between the gradients of perpendicular lines is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. We will put 3 at the place of m1 and make m2 the subject. Minus 1 over 3 is the gradient of perpendicular line. Okay.
Okay.
Now question number 4. Question number 4. The coordinates of 3 points A11, B minus 1 and 4 and C is 6k. Find the value of k such that AB is perpendicular to BC. If AB is perpendicular to BC, then gradient of AB multiplied by gradient of BC should be equal to,
-1.
that's good. Now gradient of AB is AB, x y2 minus y1, 4 minus 1, x2 minus x1, minus 1 minus 1, multiplied by gradient of BC. Gradient of BC is k minus 4 divided by जी राहिम.
जी सर, आपकी आवाज़ थोड़ी लैग हो रही है, क्या कह रहे हैं?
For the gradient of BC, y2 minus
Yes,
y1, k minus 4
yes.
divided by
K minus 4 divided by x2 minus x1, 6 minus -1. Six plus one आ जाएगा.
with the help of cross multiplication we will shift minus 3 over 2 on the right hand side. Now k minus 4 over 7 is equal to 2 by 3. K minus 4 is equal to 2 by 3 into 7. K minus 4 is equal to 14 over 3. K is equal to 14 over 3 plus 4.
18 over 3. अच्छा
Now
नहीं, we will
18 over 3 नहीं होना
LCM.
बेटा,
जी,
LCM ले.
LCM. LCM.
K is equal to 26 over 3.
Okay.
Now we will attempt question number 5. Question number 5 is find the equation of the line passing through the point minus 2 and 5 and parallel to now we want to find out the equation of the line which is passing through minus 2 and 5 and parallel to y 3y plus 7x is equal to 29. Now what is the gradient of the required line?
First, we'll make y the subject.
Yes, yes, yes. 3y is equal to minus 7x plus 29. Y is equal
Yes.
to minus 7 over 3x plus 29 over 3. M is equal to minus 7 over
Minus
3.
7 over 3.
Now, the
Yes.
gradient of the line is also minus 7 by 3 because the lines are parallel. So,
Yes.
y is equal to minus 7 over 3x plus c, and this line passes through this point, minus 2 and 5.
We can put x and y to find c.
Yes.
Yes.
Can we multiply 3 with 5?
3 with 5. No, we have to take the LCM.
Yes. Or we can subtract this
Hmm.
one from 5.
Okay.
This one is the equation of the required line in part number 1.
Yes. Okay.
Is there
No.
any problem? Now part B.
Yes.
Find the equation of the line passing through minus 1, minus 6 and perpendicular to 42x minus 7y is equal to 5. We will find out the gradient of this line by making y the subject, dividing all the terms by 7. Now y is equal to 6x minus 5 over 7. What is the gradient of this line?
6.
Now the required line is perpendicular to this. To find out the
Hmm.
gradient of the perpendicular line, we will use,
M1 multiplied by M2 is equal to minus 1.
yes.
And we can put 6 in M1. Yes. Hmm.
So we have the gradient and the point minus 1 and minus 6.
Hmm. Now we can find c and the
Yes.
equation. Hmm.
Now the required equation for the part 2 is y is equal to minus 1 over 6x plus the value of c, that is 37 over 6. Now we will attempt C part. C part is the equation of the line passing through 4, 8 and parallel to 3x plus y is equal to 17. Y is equal to minus 3x plus 17. M is equal to minus 3. Lines are parallel, so the gradients are same. Y is equal to minus 3x plus c. 8 is equal to minus 3 into 4 plus c. 8 is equal to minus 12 plus c. 20 is equal to c. Y is equal to minus 3x plus 20 is the equation of the line. Now D part. D part is same as the C
Yes.
part, and there is no,
First, we'll find the gradient and then put in M1 multiplied by M2.
yes. Now you will attempt first 11 questions of this exercise, and we will discuss the problems tomorrow, inshallah.
Sir,
Okay.
which questions?
Question number 1 till 11.
Okay.
Okay. और
Okay.
बेटा कल हम प्रॉब्लम्स को डिस्कस करेंगे इंशाल्लाह.
ठीक है.